سيدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين الصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين اللهم صل على سيدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا ومولانا محمد وبارك وسلم وصل عليه.
SHABNAM Venue is named after a very special lady, a mother of our founder Junaid Naeem, and this venue will live and grow and be cherished in her name, inshallah. SHABNAM Venue is a venue that caters for your special moments.
Assalamu alaikum all. Thank you very much for making your presence over here. Most of them that familiar faces over here. Thank you. I would like to thank my team, all of my team, Manchester and Coventry, and some people who are not directly in my team, but they've been my accountant, my friends, my solicitors.
What would you like to say about tonight?
Amazing night, perfect venue, and again we welcome everyone to SHABNAM Venue in the future. But it's been an amazing night with great quawals and we're from the direct.
It was amazing. It was an amazing night, and I would like to welcome people over here. They can vote from now onwards. We've already got a few bookings already, but I would like people to come here and share your memories, your occasions with SHABNAM Venue. Thank you.
And if I can just say, we're on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. They can find all the details in the SHABNAM Venue.